how to create Australian Super account. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open any web browser. Then you want to go ahead and open the very first link, that is Australian Super. Tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. Then you want to tap on Join, that is the second option. Tap on Super here. You'll enter to the screen where you want to scroll down a little bit, then type your email. Then put a check mark on I've read and understand the policy collection statement. Then you want to go ahead and tap on Get Started. Now here, enter your first name, enter your last name, put your date of birth, and if you're Miss, Mr., Mrs. or something else, then you want to put your date of birth. After that, you want to go ahead and type if you are male or female. Then after you're done, you want to go ahead and tap on Continue. Here, you want to put if you're from Australia or outside Australia. Put your country name. If you have address, you want to go ahead and tap on it and enter your address, your suburb, province or region. Then you want to go ahead and type your zip code or postcode. Now you want to go ahead and tap on Continue, that is in the bottom. Now you want to go ahead and tap on Yes or No according to the question. Go to the search bar for occupation and search your occupation if you're a student or worker. Now here again, you want to scroll down and put a check mark on I've read and understood the product disclosure statement, then tap on Continue. After that, you want to go ahead and tap on Continue again. Now you want to go ahead and apply for cover. For that, you want to tap on Continue, that is on the bottom again. Here you need to scroll down a little bit and then you want to go to the very bottom. Now put a tick mark on the box and then tap on Continue. Here again, you want to see your personal detail. If you want to edit it, you want to go ahead and edit them all. After that, tap on Submit. And that is how you can open or create Australian Super account. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.